This video tutorial is on Google Slides. Students, you will be asked to make a slideshow about the Stone Ages. So let's look at how you will be doing that. You're going to open up Google Drive. You're going to click on New right there. And you are going to, let's click on New again, Google Slides. And your title slide comes up. So you just click to add your title, the Stone Ages. Of course, you want to put your name or your group members' names. All right, let's add a text box. Let's click on the text box tool, drag you out a rectangle, and put your teacher's name, class, okay, and let's go grade, 6th, and school, in case you become world famous. Okay, now we want to add some background here. So to do that, we're going to click right there on Image. We're going to search the web, and right there, we type in what we want to search for. So we're going to look for cave drawings. And it's in Lascaux, France. So we'll go right there, France. These are typically the ones you see, and we'll just pick something that has a nice background. This is pretty cool. And we're going to insert it. And let's insert, and we're right there. So let's stretch it out to fill up most of the screen. Maybe leave a little white border around it. Okay, but now where did the title go? Well, what we're going to do is click on Arrange and Order. We're going to send that picture all the way to the back. And there you go. Now we probably need to do something with the font so it stands out a little bit better. So what we're going to do is click on these 3 dots. It tells us there's more tools. Let's make it bold. That will help. And if you want to change the color, you would change the color right here. Something that's got a good contrast. That's a little hard to read. So select everything, click and drag over it. And let's pick a different color. Got green. Oh, that's even worse. Let's just keep it black. Okay. And of course, you want your name to stand out. So put that in bold, change the color to black. There we go. And let's drag and highlight our class, and let's try that in white. Keep it bold, go white, over here. There we go. Now if you want to, you can drag this. You'll notice when you move this around, you can center it with your screen. You'll see the little red lines pop up. That's close enough. Okay, and let's see what that's going to look like. There you go. Let's go ahead and exit out of that. And we're going to pull this down a little bit. So you can just click on the rectangle, pull that down. Now you want to add another slide. So to add slide, we're going to go right there. It says plus, you can click on that. You can add a title slide, which we already did, section header, title and body. How about title only? So we do title only. And we'll click to add a title type the stone ages. And now we're going to add a text box. This is the text box tool right here. And we're going to click and drag. And we're going to type Paleolithic era. Let's make that font a little bit bigger. So click and drag over it. One more time, we'll make the font a little bit larger, easier to read. And let's also put the other name for this. This would be called the Old Stone Age. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and copy that. So click and drag over it. You can do Control C, and then click out over here, and Control V is paste. Of course, that never works. Control C, Control V. And why does that not work? Control C, Control V. Okay, Y is, let's go edit, paste. Okay, I'm not sure why the shortcut keys are not working, but we can always just go up to edit and let's change this to the Mesolithic era, which is the Middle Stone Age. And we'll drag that over here. And we probably should have this the same size font. Let's change the font. Font size to, let's go 18. Oh, now we can make this. There we go. And then you can line them up if you'd like. Right there. And we need one more. So we'll go edit, paste. And let's go ahead and reshape that. Drag it down. And highlight it. Let's change the font to 18. There we go. Okay. Let's get these things lined up. And we can play around with that a little bit later. Okay, now we need to get some pictures. So we're going to click on Image, search Web, and we will go Paleolithic era. And that stone chopper would be a good picture. So we can just insert the picture. And shrink the picture by clicking and dragging it. Let's put that picture right there. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it right underneath. And let's do this kind of as a caption and center it. Move this up. There you go. Okay, next one we need, search the web for Mesolithic. So we just highlight that, Mesolithic era. Oh, tools would be good. And the tools were finer, sharper, more complex. So we'll click on that, insert the picture, and let's get this out of the way. And take this, put it right there, take that, move it up there. So you just click and drag, move these things around. And we can do more. I would do another one for the Paleolithic era, but we will. Let's do some animation. So what we're going to do is click on Paleolithic, and I believe we're going to go Insert, possibly, Animation, and we can have it fade in on a mouse click, which is perfect. And then the stone tool we want to come up at the same time, so we add that, but we want it to come in at the same time as the previous. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click on Mesolithic. We're going to add a select object. It can fade in. There's different things. You could have it